This is the brand new Redmi Note 15 Pro, launched just a few days back. And of course, the big question everyone has is, how's the performance? Especially in gaming. No worries, we've got it all covered for you today. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Before diving into games, let's quickly check out the design and specs. You're getting a 6.83-inch AMOLED flat display with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. The frame is plastic, but the glass fiber back panel gives it a premium look and it stands firm on flat surfaces. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 15 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 7400 Ultra processor. The unit I have here comes with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, along with a massive 7000 mAh battery that supports 45-watt fast charging. In performance mode, the phone scores around 7 Lakh points on AnTuTu, which is higher than 24% of other users. Pretty solid for the price. Now let's talk gaming. In PUBG Mobile, you can push it to HDR HD smooth limit settings, just like its elder siblings, giving smooth and extreme graphics. But today, let's skip PUBG and start with King of Glory. Here, we get 60 FPS gameplay with ultra-high graphics and maximum resolution settings. To get the best results, don't forget to turn on Berserk Mode while gaming. Alright, let's jump straight into a 10 vs 10 match. Battery at the start, 100%. Gameplay feels smooth, no issues even in crowded fights. Frame rate stays mostly at 60, with only slight dips around 55 FPS during heavy action. After about 7 minutes of gameplay, the battery is still at 100%, which is impressive. Room temperature was around 26.3 degrees Celsius, and the phone's max temp hit 43.5 degrees Celsius. Overall, the average frame rate was 59.8 FPS. That's almost a straight, stable line. Of course, with lots of action on screen, you might notice a few frame drops, but nothing major. Now, here's the big takeaway. If you're not into heavy gaming and just want a phone for calls, messaging, videos, and long-lasting battery life, then the Redmi Note 15 Pro fits perfectly. It's especially a great choice for casual users or even elders, thanks to its huge battery backup. That's the rewritten version. So what are your thoughts on this device? Which feature stands out as your favorite? Share your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech videos and follow me on X for the latest tech updates and deals. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.